What's up everybody, my name is Jimmy Brooks. In today's video, I wanted to talk to people thinking about getting into a 2016 through 2019 Camaro and just giving you guys a heads up, making you aware that within the first 3 years of ownership, there may be some very costly maintenance coming up depending on how much you drive your car, if you track it, if you autocross it. I just wanted to let you guys know what to look out for. So getting right into it, I am mainly talking about motor mounts, and if you drive a manual transmission, the clutch. So once again, this depends on how hard you drive your car, but this car has never been tracked, it's never been autocrossed, and I started experiencing problems with my motor mounts and the clutch slipping around 50,000 miles, and now it is at 84,000 miles. It's definitely that time. I have to replace it now at this point. The reason the motor mounts are one of the most annoying things that could get worn out on your car is because every time you get on the throttle and off the throttle, there will be a jerkiness, a buck of sorts every time you get on and off that throttle. And when they're worn out like that, it makes the entire driving experience just unpleasant, and your brand new nice looking car drives like it's broken. So you're probably thinking motor mounts, those are pretty simple to replace, right? Well, usually you'd be correct. It's like a 2-hour job. Even if you get it done at a shop, it's not that expensive. I haven't checked the step-by-step on why the labor is so ridiculously extensive on these Camaros for replacing the motor mounts, but 3 shops have quoted me 9 hours of labor for the left and right motor mounts to be installed. And if you know anything about shop labor prices, that is anywhere between $900 and $1,500. So if you can't do the work yourself, you can expect to pay around $1,000 for parts and labor to replace your motor mounts right around the time that you're gonna have to pay $1,000 for parts and labor to replace your clutch if you have a manual transmission. My Camaro in particular has the 2-liter turbo engine, so when it comes to pricing, I do speak on behalf of that engine, but when you think about it, do you really think the SS or the ZL1 will be any cheaper in maintenance? Probably not. So I just wanted to let all of you know that before jumping into a 6th gen Camaro purchase. I know a lot of you watching are young guys who want to hop into a new badass Mustang, Camaro, or Challenger, but take it from someone who has made a lot of car mistakes, that if you're in the mindset of, I'm pretty sure I could afford that payment, you're nowhere in the ballpark of being able to comfortably afford that car. I encourage all of you guys to go watch my car payments video as I dive really deep into that topic. I do have the parts themselves. These are the left and right motor mounts. I ordered them online. They were 150 bucks. Came in the mail today, and I'll wait until, I figure out what's going on with the whole installation process. That's going to be it for this topic. I hope you guys liked the video, and I will be talking to all of you guys in tomorrow's video. See ya.